AI art will destroy jobs at a rate that is unimaginable. And even if you're watching this and you're not an artist or anywhere in the creative field, you're still gonna be affected by this. How? Through AI generated targeted advertisements. Making ads would be as simple as a single click. And if that happens, your entire life will be flooded with advertisements that is specifically designed for you. And the most important aspect of this is that we cannot stop this. Artificial intelligence and automated processes are only going to become more common in the world of art. In fact, AI art is becoming so widely used that it is starting to win independent art contests. As an artist who considers technology as a primary medium for creative expression, this concerns me as I am making my very own series, The Heaven of Magic Science. And the character here in this speed paint is named Cialorta. To see and read the story, go to my Patreon or Ko-fi link, it's in the description below. This video will explore how artificial intelligence and automated processes are changing the field of visual arts, and what the implications may be for artists and their audiences as we move to this new era. So why is AI art becoming so popular? Artificial intelligence has been used in art for decades, but it is only now that it is becoming more widely used and accessible to artists. One reason is that AI is rapidly improving. Autonomous systems like self-driving cars are trained using massive amounts of data, and the more data they are given, the smarter they get. And the same is true for AI used in art. The other reason for the popularity of AI art is that it is now much easier to program an AI system than it was even a few years ago. A wide range of open source tools and programming languages have been developed to make creating AI art easier and faster. So how is AI changing the field of digital art? Artists are now using AI tools to generate new works of art and remixing existing works of art. Artificial intelligence is not just used as a tool for creation of art, it is also used as a medium. Artificial intelligence can be used to create new artwork by automatically piecing together images and text or generating art based on an artist's style. It can even be used to create artworks by sorting through thousands of images and selecting only the best ones. So what are implications of AI art for an artist like me? Art generated by AI will flood the market, leaving artists with more competition. Consumers don't care if art is made by an AI or a person. The most important for art is the visual appeal or the artistic value. You can even see people selling AI art online through websites like Etsy and make money out of it. And that completely seals off the opportunity for traditional artists to sell their work in a normal marketplace unless they have a following. Some clients only need a specific type of function for art, and they may not even need high quality illustrations that comes from a professional artist. They just need the idea to get across. Therefore, they don't even need to commission artists anymore. And this fact will continue to rise as AI art develops further. I have a guess where clients would only bring their AI-generated art and commission an artist to fix or improve the AI-generated art. This will result to reduced profits since the coloring and composition is already done for the artist. Why would the client pay the full price when the idea just needs polish? That exact point is why I'm having an AI commission campaign right now. Send me your AI generated art and I will improve upon it using my artistic skill, or commission me from scratch here on rula.artisty@gmail.com. So, what are the implications for the normal people?
But hey, I'm just a normal person. I'm not gonna be affected by this AI shenanigans that you're suffering from.
But the thing is, artificial intelligence will be used to create targeted ads. This will have a profound implications for the way we experience the world. It will radically alter the relationship between consumers and the products that are being sold to them. These changes are already happening. Large platforms such as Facebook and Google are already using AI algorithms to determine what content we see on our feeds. They are using machine learning to analyze our behavior and our patterns to decide which content we should see and which we shouldn't. There's only limited number of ways to give yourself control over what you see. By hitting the like, bell, and subscribe down below, not only that you will help me, but you're giving support to other individual artists like me by spreading awareness. Now they just have to develop AI-generated ads to specifically target you. If you like certain content like anime and an interest in camping, you wouldn't even bat an eye on traditional camping ads, especially if your content feed is mainly anime. However, what if an AI generated a camping ad with an anime style on it? Now it becomes more desirable and relevant to you. You might be inclined to buy it if everything inside an ad is your desires. That idea is scary. So as artists or people who try to make content, we must utilize AI-generated art in our process to survive or at least keep up with the development. But even if we try to utilize those tools to our advantage, it might be futile in the future because AI art will eventually going to take over everything. Art and concepts would be low value, and that's a fact. Progression of artificial intelligence is staggeringly fast. It's only been 3 years since the major advancement of AI art, but look at now. AI art grows exponentially, and we humans cannot keep up with this. So what about next year? Next 3 years? Next 5 years? The only way for any content creator to survive is to use AI tools and take advantage of its exponential growth. That presents another issue where your entire artwork isn't made by your own two hands anymore. Your artistic expression isn't made by you. The skills you developed for decades is less necessary. So what's the conclusion of this? Artificial intelligence and automated processes are going to become more common in the creative industry. It is much easier to program an AI system than it was a few years ago. A wide range of open source tools and programming languages have been developed to make creating AI art faster. It can be used to create new artwork never before seen. The world will be streamlined with AI-generated content that large companies will even influence how you think, feel, and buy. But one thing for sure, we cannot lose hope. Even if we become an AI-driven society in the future, there will be people who are dedicated to their craft relentlessly. I myself am dedicated to the series I'm making, Heaven of Magic Science. This is a story of a wizardry society locked deep underground Greenland. To read the rich story and the huge amount of development concept art, go to my Patreon or Ko-fi. The link is there. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, time to utilize AI for myself. Tell me if you've learned something or if you're an artist yourself down in the comments. And I'm gonna tell you a secret since it's at the end of the video. This video is partly made by a script from an AI. Well, see ya later.